Mucemanio-ini wa maundu maria maturigiceirie kuria atongoria a honge mwanya kuma thirikari itiganite maragomana nikuo President Uhuru Kenyatta ateterithirie murugamo wa Kenya ati Kenya no iguthie na mbere na haro ya ugwimi utari mwitikirie na kuregana na thogori ya miguongo ya njogu no oiga ati bururi-ini urenda uteithio.
We hope that you can stand with us as we seek to take this critical step to preserve the animals that contribute so much to our ecosystems and way of life.
President Kenyatta oigete bururi wa Kenya ni ukaregana kaimana na wonjoria wa miguongo hindi ya mucemanio wa 17 wa kugitira nyamu na maria maturigiceirie uria ugatabanio bururi-ini wa South Africa mwisho-ini wa mwaka uyu.
During the 17th meeting of the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wildlife, Fauna and Flora, CITES, set to be held in South Africa later this year, Kenya will be seeking a total ban on the trade in ivory.
President nierega gucina makiria ya tani 100 cia miguongo ya njogu na hia cia munyi cia mabirioni ma mbeca mweri muthiru. Bururi wa Kenya ta mabũrũri maingĩ thĩinĩ wa thĩ nĩ wĩkĩrĩte kĩrore mĩtaratara ya kũmenyerera maria maturigiceirie na uria mĩtaratara ĩno ĩngĩkĩrĩrwo makĩria.
Earlier this year, Kenya, like many of your countries, signed the Protocol on Climate Change following the adoption of the Paris Agreement last year. We adopted a green economy strategy and implementation plan as a guideline for our environmental sustainability efforts, and even as we submitted our national commitments to the United Nations Framework for Climate Change.
Gladys Kego, Inooro TV.